Assalamualaikum. My name is Adlin Amalia binti Roslan. My metric number is 2024582965. I will present about risk assessment strategy on LHD plus Sendirian Berhad. Introduction. Risk assessment is structured, step-by-step approach to identifying, analyzing, and evaluating risks that could impact an organization, operation, reputation, or stability. By proactively managing this risk, businesses can establish effective control to protect assets, ensure compliance, maintain seamless operation. This process is vital for companies, especially in industries facing dynamic challenges or shifting market expectation. Next is purpose of study. By this, we can get applied theoretical knowledge to real situation. Next is gain practical experience in risk management. Next is identify potential risks and evaluate their impact. Next is recommend strategies to strengthen the organization risk management. Next is develop critical thinking, analytical, and problem-solving skill. And the last is support the organization long-term success and competitiveness. Other than that, it can be benefit into two parties, such as benefit to LH plus Sendirian Berhad. First is identifies and minimize potential risks. Second, improve management practice and work efficiency. And the next is boost competitiveness in the plastic molding industry. And the last maintains reputation for high quality and manufacturing. And then benefit to the student, applies classroom knowledge in real life situation, develop problem solving, critical thinking, and industry awareness. Next is gain experience in risk management and project execution. And the last, build skills for career growth and job readiness. Next is company background. LH plus Sendirian Berhad overview by manufacturer of plastic injection molding products located in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. Serve foods, healthcare, medical, electrical, and automotive industries. Employs 101 to 500 people. The growth and achievement of LH plus Sendirian Berhad Company is started in 1947 as a small family business making bicycles 10 parts, grew into a leading plastic injection molding company. The key to success is innovation, precision, and quality. Strong presence in local and global market. Trusted brand with strategic partnership.
Hello, my name is Nova Isabel Timaslan. My matrix number is 2024328915. So I will explain to you about the risk assessment. Risk assessment is essential in various industries, including healthcare, business, construction, and cybersecurity. At LH Plus, it plays a crucial role in managing workplace hazard, financial risk, and supply chain disruption, ensuring smooth operation and long-term stability. We adopt a structure and a proactive approach by assessing likelihood and impact, prioritizing risk and making evidence-based decisions. This method allows us to adapt to changing decisions while balancing the cost of mitigation. By implementing effective risk assessment, LH Plus strengthens safety, sustainability, and compliance, protecting our business from potential disruption. In this slide, I will be discussing the importance of applying the ISO 31000 risk management framework and how it benefits to LH Plus. First and foremost, ISO 31000 provides a systematic approach to risk control. It transforms risk identification, assessment, and treatment into a continuous process, ensuring that our risk management effort align with decision-making procedures. This structured approach helps in anticipating potential threats and take proactive measures. For LH Plus, implementing this framework brings numerous benefits. It enhances management decisions, strengthens governance, and support overall organizational objectives. Additionally, it enables us to better control operational, financial, and supply chain risks, which are critical to maintaining business opportunity. Now let's discuss the objective of implementing the ISO 31000 framework at LH Plus. The primary goal is to manage economic risk efficiently. This means predicting and reducing potential losses at the lowest possible cost, ensuring that our company remains financially resilient and competitive. Another key objective is to minimize fear and uncertainty. A strong risk management framework instills confidence and weakness within the organization, ensuring that employees and stakeholders feel secure in our operation. To successfully implement ISO 31000, LH Plus follows 6 key components of risk management. First, risk identification. It is essential for us to have structured approach to detecting potential risks that may impact our business, whether it's equipment failure, supply chain issue, or global challenges like pandemics. Identifying these risks early shows us to take preventive actions. Second is monitoring and review. Once risk management strategies are implemented, we must conduct regular assessment to ensure risk effectiveness. By using key performance indicator (KPIs), we can measure our progress and make necessary adjustments. Third is communication and consultation. Risk management is not just a responsibility of top management. It requires active participation from all stakeholders by involving employees, suppliers, customers, and other key parties in the risk assessment process. We create a culture of awareness and preparedness. LH Plus has adapted open communication channels to ensure that everyone understands their role in managing risk effectively.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wanur Baiti Ayu binti Ramzi. My matrix number is 2024978065 and I am from BA2713F. So, I will continue with risk identification. Risk identification is the first vital step in any process for risk management. It is also through this process that an organization becomes aware of areas where it is exposed to risk in the company. Identification techniques are designed for developing information on sources of risk, hazards, factor of risk, perils, and exposure to loss. It has therefore become the duty of everyone with respect to an organization, a project, or to each person to find and document the potential risks. Risk identification allows companies to foresee potential threats and take proactive measures to mitigate the impact. This table categorizes risk based on three components, which is perils, hazard, and losses. Perils represent the root causes of risk, such as external events or economic disruption that can negatively impact the business. For example, in our case, perils include devastating fire, supply chain disruption, and economic downturns. Second is hazard. Hazard describes how perils escalate into serious problem, which is a fire could damage infrastructure and machinery, while supply chain disruption lead to reduced workforce availability and delay production. Uncertainty in the market affecting customer purchasing power and resulting in volatility in supply chain and production costs. The third one is losses. Losses refer to the actual impacts on company due to the hazard, which is fire resulting in production downtime, supply chain issue led to market share reduction, and economic downturn caused revenue decline. There are tools in the identification process meant for systematic uncovering. The most commonly applied techniques used are SWOT analysis and interviews and surveys. A SWOT analysis is a powerful business tool that identifies internal and external factors affecting a company. For LH+ Sdn Bhd, strengths include industry expertise, providing a competitive edge, and a global presence allowing access to multiple markets and diverse customer segments. However, weaknesses include limited market penetration in certain regions where local competitors pose challenges and reliance on specific industry, creating risks if demand shifts. Opportunities for growth include expanding into untapped market, generating new revenue stream, and forming strategic partnership to enhance capabilities and market reach. However, threats such as economic volatility may impact demand and increase costs, while dependence on global supply chains exposes the company to risks like delays and shortage. This analysis helps LH+ build on strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats, ensuring long-term success. Next is interviews and surveys. To identify risks at LH+ Sdn Bhd, gathering information from employees, suppliers, and customers is essential. Interviews with factory managers and workers can provide detailed insight into fire hazards, such as the incident in October 2000, by discussing causes, emergency response, and current safety measures. The logistic team can highlight supply chain disruption, including workforce issue and delivery delays, while senior manager can share strategy using during past economic downturns like the financial crisis of 1997 and 2007. Surveys complement interviews by reaching a broader audience. Employees, vendor, and customer can rate aspects like fire safety or supply chain effectiveness and offer suggestions for improvement. Suppliers can point out external challenges such as material shortage and delivery delays, whereas customers can indicate how economic conditions affect their purchasing behavior. Combining data from interviews and surveys enable LH+ to identify recurring risks in areas like fire safety and mitigating risks, and promote open communication, resilience, and robust operations. Next, I will continue with risk evaluation. Risk evaluation is essential in risk management, using a risk matrix to assess likelihood and impact. Fires have a low to medium likelihood as large-scale incidents are rare but possible without proper precautions. The impact is high, causing severe damage, operational halts, and financial losses. Preventive measures like fire detection systems, response plans, and insurance are crucial to minimize losses. Supply chain disruption have a medium likelihood occurring due to strike, natural disaster, or crises like pandemics. The impact ranges from medium to high, causing inefficiencies and production stoppage. Mitigation involves diversifying suppliers, maintaining buffer stock, and enhancing supply chain transparency. Economic downturns have a medium to high likelihood, influenced by financial crisis and market shift. The impact is high, reducing demand and profitability. Companies can mitigate this by adopting cost optimization, market diversification, and maintaining financial reserves to withstand economic fluctuations.
Seroto behind my customer identification and national number is 2024-98121. So I will present about examining the alternatives. The first one is enhanced insurance coverage. To minimize the impact of future disaster, business should review and update insurance policy regularly. to ensure that adequate coverage for all assets, including factories, equipment, and inventory. Business disruption insurance is crucial to cover revenue losses during downtime. Next point is a strengthened supply chain resilience. To mitigate risks associated with the global supply chain, business should diversify their supplies across different regions, invest in local sourcing, and maintain the inventory level of the critical raw materials. So the fourth point is develop a risk management team. A dedicated risk management team can proactively identify and address potential threats by conducting regular risk assessment, monitoring industry trends, and implementing effective mitigation strategies. So the last one is implement a business continuity plan. A comprehensive business continuity plan with a specific emergency response procedure, recovery strategies, and revenue drills is essential for business to minimize downtime and to ensure that they can meet customer commitment even during adverse events. So we move on to the implementation of the alternative. So based on the flood alternative legislations, I omit enhance insurance coverage, strengthen supply chain resilience, and invest in technology. As for insurance, the 2000 idea highlight the critical need for robust insurance. We are enhancing our coverage to include property, equipment, and business interruption insurance. This will help us recover faster and minimize financial losses in case of unforeseen events. The next point is strengthen supply chain resilience. So the pandemic shows us how fragile global supply chains can be. We are diversifying our supplies, working with local partners, and building our stock files of key materials to avoid future disruptions. We are also using our technology to track our supply chains and be ready for anything. So the last one is invest in technology. Technology is a key to our future. We are investing in automation to improve the efficiency and reduce reliance on manual labor. We are using data and analytics to predict potential problems in our supply chain. And we are training our team on latest technologies so they can help us succeed. Next, we move on to the next slide, which is monitoring. As you can see here, this is the level that I put the action, expectation, actually, and result or outcome. So the first action that we take, which is enhancing insurance coverage. So the expectation that we look up is that financial stability after the incidents, reduce downtime and recovery from disaster. And next, what actually we got is that adequate funds available to immediate recovery, faster rebuilding process post minor incidents. So the result that we get is that the improved insurance policy minimizes financial strain, allowing the company to recover faster. The next one is the strengthening supply chain. What especially that we look up is that fewer delays in material supply, consistent production global disruptions. So what actually happened is that lead time reduced by 20%, minimal disruption due to diversified supplier and local sourcing. And the outcome that we got is that the resilience measure ensured smoother operations even during peak disruption. Last point is that investing in technology. What we expect that improve production efficiency, better forecasting, and reduce operational downtime. So what actually happened is that productivity increased by 50%. Predictive analytics identified and prevented 3 potential delays. So the outcome that we got is that the adoption of technology enhance operational efficiency and provide the competitive advantages. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, and hi, my name is Natasha Hidayat. My contact number is 2024369385. So in this recommendation 5, I recommend the LH Plus to minimize risk and improving efficiency through timely recoveries from disruptions, enhancing risk assessment with new start and conducting a multi-year simulation such as company tests and worst-case scenarios can prepare the company for potential threats and extraordinary situations. Secondly, LH Plus should increase the use of their eco-friendly materials, gaining legal compliance to the law, and enhance customer loyalty. It should enhance their image in an eco-conscious market and collaborating with suppliers to design for affordable alternatives. Lastly, supply chain disruption threaten LH Plus, such as diversification, inventory management, logistic points, supplier relationship, and risk management, enhance stability and strategy.
Risk survey overview. For LH Plus company, the purpose of this survey is to identify and assess potential threats affecting our operations. Key risks include fire hazard, supply chain disruption, and economic downturns. To evaluate this risk, we focus on likelihood, impact on operations, and risk priority. By understanding these factors, we can develop effective mitigation strategies to enhance business resilience and sustainability. Implementing preventive measures, improving risk management, and having contingency plans will help safeguard our operations and ensure long-term success.
So, in the conclusion, this analysis identified key risks like market dependency, supply chain issue, and economic volatility using SWOT analysis and risk matrix for assessment. Some risks may not have been fully explored. Proactive risk management is crucial as external factors like global trends impact business risk. Structured planning helps in better decision making. This assessment also improves our risk analysis, strategic planning, and presentation skill, allowing better risk prioritization. Limitation include data and time constraints and subjective judgment which may affect objectivity. Future improvement should focus on considering more risk and